What are the different types of lifts and elevators? Not all lifts are the same, and choosing the right one can save you time, space, and money. Here's what you need to know about the three main types of lifts: traction, hydraulic, and screw-driven. Let's start with the most common type, traction lifts. Traction lifts use ropes, a motor, and counterweights to move the lift car. They're ideal for high-rise buildings, but they also require a lot of structural space, both above and below the elevator, which makes them harder to install in existing buildings. Next, hydraulic elevators, a common solution for mid-rise buildings with 2 to 6 floors. They move using pressurized fluid, and they are more compact than traction lifts. However, they're not as fast as traction lifts and are sensitive to temperature changes. And finally, screw-driven lifts, like the ones we offer at Cibes. Our lifts use a drive nut to move up and down a vertical screw, powered by an electric motor. They're slower than other types and limited to 6 floors, but they're extremely space efficient. Our smallest size fits in just 1 square meter of space. The drive system is so compact that it fits inside the lift shaft, which means you don't need a deep pit or extra headroom. That makes screw-driven lifts much easier, faster, and cheaper to install than conventional traction and hydraulic elevators. If you're interested in learning more about how Cibes lifts work, visit our website in the link below.